Hi everyone! So recently, I bought a Geniora phone for my son. Join me as I set up my son's phone using the Geniora Parent app. First, I need to install the Geniora Parent app from the Play Store. Done! Here it is. Now let's try opening the app. The app will guide me to link my phone to the Geniora phone. Long press the home screen at the Geniora phone, press the link button, and it will show you the phone's QR code. Now I'm scanning the QR code using my phone and voila! My phone is now connected to my son's phone. Put his name, then my name, and a security code. Now I'm ready. Wow, there are so many features. Let's explore all the features that Geniora offers. At the very top, the Please Listen feature. This is one of the main features from Geniora. This feature allows me to interrupt my son's smartphone screen. There are several message options I can choose to send to my son's phone, from lunchtime to shutting down the phone. But I think I won't use the shutting down option unless it is really necessary to do so. I'll try the lunchtime option. Press lunchtime, choose the time duration, and wow, it instantly locked my son's phone. Try tapping the screen and yeah, it is no use. The phone is locked for 5 minutes. He needs to wait 5 minutes for the phone to be unlocked, or I can also just unlock it by turning off the feature from the Geniora Parent app on my phone. Let's move to the second feature, Modes of Use. Here, it shows many modes that I can choose and combine. The full button indicates the full mode, which means all apps are allowed to use on my son's phone. However, if I want to temporarily disable some apps from my son's phone, I can just press the mode to deactivate it, or press it again to reactivate. Here at my son's phone, you can see the effect it created. If I deactivate one mode, apps related to it will disappear, and it will appear again when I reactivate the mode. Using the Apps feature, I can assign a mode to each app. However, an app can only be assigned to one mode at a time. Next is the Scheduler feature. This is a really helpful feature as I can schedule to run a certain feature. Simply choose the date and time desired and select which feature you want to take action. Then, that feature will run automatically at the chosen time. Another really helpful feature is Geo Localization. This feature allows me to check my son's history and also his current location. I can also set some safe zones and set compass to direct my son to a place I need him to go. As Geo Localization feature is built to ensure safety for children, so is the SOS Protection feature. First, I need to set my phone number and email. So when my son feels that he is in danger, he can just long press the home screen and press the SOS button. The phone will notify me by calling and sending me an email. This feature cannot be disabled to ensure children's safety 24/7. Geniora phone makes a huge difference on how I, as a parent, guide my children on using their smartphone wisely. Try Geniora now and see how this phone can help you shape your family relationship in a much better way. Geniora phone, engaging life.